Hello everyone, welcome again to this channel. I hope you all guys are doing well. Today we are going to cover the theoretical topic what is Java. So Java is a platform and programming language. Java is a high level, robust, object oriented and secure programming language. Here you can see some highlighted words like high level, robust, object oriented, and secure programming language. These words have its own meaning. So we will cover these in detail in upcoming videos. And Java was developed by Sun Microsystem in the year 1995, which is now the subsidiary of Oracle. And James Gosling is known as father of Java. Now, what is the story behind the name Java? Before Java, its name was Oak. Since Oak was already a registered company at that time, so James Gosling and his team changed the Oak name to Java. Before going to example section, let's understand what is platform. Any hardware or software environment in which a program runs is known as platform. Since Java has a runtime environment and API, so it is called platform. This is the simple Java example, and this examples each word has its own meaning. We will discuss it in later videos. Let's go to next slide. What are the different types of Java application? There are mainly four types of applications that can be created using Java programming. Number one is standalone application. Number two is web application. Number three is enterprise application. And the last one is mobile application. So, what is standalone application? Standalone applications are also known as desktop applications or window-based applications. These are traditional software that we need to install on every machine. Examples of standalone applications are media player, antivirus, etc. AWT and Swing technologies are used in Java for creating standalone applications. Next one is web application. An application that runs on server side and creates a dynamic page is called a web application. Currently, we have Servlet, JSP, Struts, Spring, Hibernate, JSF technologies, and these are used for creating web applications in Java. Next one is enterprise application. An application that is distributed in nature, such as banking applications, is called enterprise application. It has advantage of high level security, load balancing and clustering. In Java, EJB is used for creating enterprise applications. And the last one is mobile application. An application which is created for mobile devices is called mobile application. Currently we have Android and Java ME which are used for creating mobile applications. Let's go to next slide. What are Java platforms and editions available? Basically there are four Java editions. Number one is Java SE, which is Java Standard Edition. Number two is Java EE, which is also known as Java Enterprise Edition. Next one is Java ME, which is also known as Java Micro Edition. And the last one is Java FX. So, what is Java SE? It is a Java programming platform. It includes Java programming APIs such as Lang, IO, Net, Util, SQL, Math, etc. It also includes core topics like OOPS, string, regular expression, exception, inner classes, multithreading, input-output stream, networking, AWT, swing, reflection, collection, etc. And we will discuss these all things in upcoming videos. Next one is Java EE. It is an enterprise platform which is mainly used to develop web and enterprise applications. It is built on the top of Java SE platform. It includes topics like servlet, JSP, web services, EJP, JPA, etc. Java ME, Java Micro Edition. It is a micro platform which is mainly used to develop mobile applications. And the last one is Java FX. It is used to develop rich internet application. It uses a lightweight user interface API. So in next video we will go through the history of Java. Thank you guys.